G'day team, it's Taylor here from Property Brokers and welcome back to the heart of Awapuni. This home is phenomenal, nearly new with gorgeous views. Come and check it out.
They don't fit my vibe. I'm a free spirit, a bird and flying high. That's my new version, a different side of me. My New Year resolution is not a fantasy.
So as you've just seen, this home has been finished to an amazing standard. Stone bench tops, ducted heat pump, big rake ceiling to make sure that you maximise sun, all on a low maintenance section with a beautiful view over the park. Welcome to 34A Kentucky Way.